What's going on? I'm KP.
And I'm GenoJ.
The real estate gurus. What's going on, man? This is KP from KP and GenoJ, and we're at another pop. Today is a little different from last time because it's a lot warmer, which is great. So we got a lot to go over today, and keep watching.
Let's just say you drove into this neighborhood. What you can do is go to Redfin. Pull up your phone, go to Redfin, and then on Redfin, it'll have a little button you can push, and it'll show you exactly what street you're on. So you push that little button, it's like a little, little map button. It'll identify exactly where you're at. And then what you do is you scroll down, and it'll show you homes for sale. And then you can change the filter and filter homes that sold. And then you want to see what sold in that neighborhood. And then you just reverse engineer it. So if you're in this neighborhood and you see homes that are, like when I bought this property, it had been a while before I came over here. So I pulled up, I saw it. I was parked right in front of the house. And I saw houses in here that were selling for like $200, $225. So you just look at what sold in that neighborhood. And once you know what sold, then you reverse engineer it. So let's say the houses in here were 200. My number is 72%. So if the houses were selling at 200, I know I cannot be in this house more than 140. That 140 represents the purchase and the renovation. So if the rehab was 40, my max purchase price would be 100. So you just reverse engineer it. Find out what the values are, times it by 72%, and then you figure out the renovation cost, deduct that renovation cost, and that gives you your purchase price.
Hello everyone, I'm SJ Brantley. Actually came out today. I ran across the post on Instagram last night and checked out a couple of the videos. I really came out. I am transitioning from the military, so I know ultimately this is what I want to do. I want to learn how to flip properties. These guys have a blueprint, and why reinvent the wheel if there's already a blueprint for it? So I'm just out here trying to soak up as much information as I can, and this is going to be my next career choice, and I'm excited about it.
You can definitely learn a lot of things. It's just not about flipping homes, just real estate in general if you're trying to get into it. So if you're a beginner like me, I definitely check them out and make sure you subscribe to the channel.
For the most part, if you have zero knowledge on real estate, this is where to get it.
My name is Kiana. I came out to to support my friend Kelley. I am subscribed to their YouTube channel. I think what other people can learn from them is basically everything. If you're looking into real estate, these are the guys that follow. They have all any questions that you have, they have all the answers to them.
So I need to say a couple things. This guy, I'm very proud of him. I met him probably about a year or so ago, about a year and a half ago. I had a property that I sold, and he called me on that property. And he said, man, I know you sold a property on this street. I have a deal like a couple streets away. Want to see if you'd be interested in buying it. And needless to say, it was a good deal. I bought it, and ever since then, like every couple months, man, dude been sending me deals.
So when you actually wholesale, you want to actually know what you're doing. You have educated yourself. You kind of understand how the market work, how the contract work, how the attorneys work, how the buyers work. You need to know your comps, your ARV, kind of have some type of estimate of how many repairs the property may need.
So I got another question for you. So what are you doing right now to find properties?
So pretty much we're a cold calling. That's what we do. We put banner signs out. I don't do the direct mail, all that stuff. We pretty much got cold calling. bandit signs, and network, word of mouth. That's how you get your deals pretty much.
So if you're a new wholesaler or an investor and you're looking to get into real estate, one of the ways that you can get in is gonna be grind work. Because when you do that grind work, when you're out there in the field driving for dollars, like driving these neighborhoods, you look for vacant properties, you write down the address, you can skip trace and try to call the owners. And don't overthink it. Just call the owner and say, hey, I saw your property on 123 Main Street. It looked like it was boarded up. I'm an investor, or I work with investors that buy properties in this area, and I want to see if you're interested in selling that property.
You're missing free game. Most people want to charge you for information, but all you have to do is subscribe, follow, like, and you'll learn so much valuable information. You can't go wrong.
I feel like, and so does KP, we don't see anybody teaching people on how to estimate repair costs on properties. And believe it or not, that's the missing key to success, I think, because the first thing you should learn is how to evaluate properties, of course, but what is it going to take to renovate that property? When you know those two things, you understand those two things, then you can make money. It's hard to make money when you don't know what it's going to cost to renovate a property. And these numbers are very simple, and we're going to teach these numbers.
My shirt, no more vandal. I sell these. That's real. I hate going in the neighborhoods where you see abandoned houses. Let's get rid of them. It's too much money. That's money right now.
There's a lot of people out there hurting. There's a lot of people out there, looking for other opportunities to change their lives and change their family lives. And we felt like one of the things that we can do to give back is just share our story and educate people on how to really get out there and start doing it. There's a lot of money in real estate, and we're very, conscious about what we say. We want to be able to give people real information, no fluff, and that's why we like to come to these properties to show people, what's possible. In anything you want to do and achieve, you can do it through real estate. There's so much money in real estate, and we want other people that look like us too to get some of this money. There's a lot of money out there, and there's no reason y'all shouldn't be getting some of that money too. Like if y'all new to wholesaling, y'all find a deal, shoot it to us. Hey man, I got this property. The owner said they're gonna take 80 or 90, whatever. Like get a commitment of price. We'll shoot it back and say, oh, you know what? That might be a good deal. Shoot stuff to us. We might buy it. We might know somebody that's gonna buy it. So connect with us on any deals that y'all might have that y'all trying to sell. We there to help y'all out, man. Because this is an opportunity to make money together.
Guys, thanks for joining us. We appreciate everybody that came out. Course coming soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit those links below. This is GenoJ.
I'm KP.
We are the Real Estate Gurus.